How to add subtitles automatically to TikTok videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add subtitles automatically to your TikTok videos. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom middle of the screen. And after that, simply choose the picture or videos that you want to use from your gallery. And once selected, simply scroll through the menu on the right side and simply tap on the option labeled Captions. Now wait as TikTok automatically generates the subtitles for your video. And after the subtitles are generated, you can select the font styles and color for your subtitles. Now you can simply go back from that pop-up menu, and on this page you can simply edit to check and adjust your subtitles. You can tap on any subtitle part to bulk, edit, split or delete. You can also change the color or font style in this section, and that's it. Now your TikTok video has automatic subtitles for better engagement and accessibilities. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.